Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX. Is the sky limit for SHX? It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price and chart of SHX at the time of the recording, guys. So, guys, this is the SHX chart, the yearly chart. If you look at the current price and the dip it has had, this basically scares a lot of investors because they see charts something like this, or if you look at the monthly, yeah, that key support areas have been broken down and all of that stuff. But guys, if you look at the yearly chart over here, we'll see that there has been a significant move up, and profit taking is a part and parcel of the game. It is natural, so a profit taking happened around 0.014 area, around approximately a cent almost. So yeah, it came back down. When a zero is eaten, people tend to sell. If you go look at any coin, guys, whenever a zero is eaten, you might see a good deal of a good chunk of selling pressure over there. So yeah, but if you look at the all-time chart, guys, over here, we'll see that there is a crucial resistance line over here. Sorry, the support area over here, 0.0007. I told you guys that this was a crucial support over here, and even if you look at these areas, these are crucial support areas, 0064, 0065, 0061. These are crucial areas, and these areas, in my opinion, are the resistance turned support. SHX basically tried to break out of this area, 0.011. It did a false breakout over here. It went to as high as 0.014, but since that time it has come down. So the price might consolidate around here, and then we'll see these resistance lines breaking, and then we can go forward and test new heights, guys, new areas, and we might go to 2 cents, and from there on out we might go and test the all-time highs, guys. So obviously not financial advice. Anything can happen in crypto, guys. It might even go down. So do your own due diligence, your research. Only invest what you can afford to lose. But if we're talking in terms of the market cap at the moment, guys, $44 million is nothing for a project that is basically rubbing shoulders with giants, guys, in the financial space. So in that regards, the potential is indeed there for good gains, but let's see what happens. Obviously, you have to do your own due diligence, your research. Guys, check this out. Check this out. This is a shout out to Mr. Dom. I repeat, the sky is the limit for SHX. Coupled with Tammy's, for this, she's the co-founder of SHX. For those of you who do not know of Stronghold, Tammy's 14 plus years in growth experience and her Walmart insights were on a formidable path. Excitement for the team's future continues to grow. So check this out, guys. The names that the team has worked with. Our team has worked with some innovative companies, guys. Check this out. Stellar, it is built on top of Stellar. Basically, Stellar is a brand. It is a revolution in crypto. It is. I made a video a few days ago, or was it yesterday? I've got a time lapse now. I do not even know that when did I make that video, but I talked about the tokenization of stuff that Stellar is doing and how it is the key player in tokenization, which is going to be a huge narrative going forward. People associate Stellar with only payments. It is much bigger than that, guys. It is disrupting various areas of finance. So a huge player, Netflix, you guys know, Gap, Coinbase, although it has ongoing controversies, but still it is a brand. JP Morgan, Chase and Co., Yale, Walmart Labs, guys, Trust Token, Combinator, Singularity University, NYU, EY, Deutsche Bank, KPMG, Played. So check this out, guys. And check this out, guys. The names Stronghold SHX, Next Stop, Pluto. This is from CKJ Crypto News. Let me play this.
At Worldwire, which was, I think, 2019 to 2021. Spring at Ripple and Stellar remain, strong connections for us. Some strategic investors, Ripple did invest in us a couple of years ago, really solidifying the bond that we had with them. So that was really nice of them to be able to do that. And MVB Bank, a key partner for us in terms of providing or being able to provide payments. And a little about the ecosystem, and a lot of you are very aware of that because a lot of you are from this. So thank you very much for joining that community.
So yeah, guys, check this out, guys. The key partnerships, guys. IBM, we've talked about it time and again. People have talked about it time and again. Spring, Stellar, these are the key partners. And guys, strategic investors means Ripple basically invested in Stronghold. Why would Ripple invest in a company, an up and coming company, if it didn't have massive potential, guys? Why would it do that? You guys know about Ripple. We've covered it time and again. It is basically shoving SEC, and I know a lot of people are getting frustrated with XRP, but still, guys, it has held its own despite that pushback and crackdown from SEC, guys. The price, people are saying, hasn't it moved a lot tremendously? But it has held its own, and this is any other coin, any other shit coin would have gone to zero at this point. The crackdown that SEC did on Ripple. If you guys can comment on the box below and let the community know what do you guys think. If there it was any other coin, guys. I mean, out of a handful, out of handful of coins, guys, only a few are the ones that can basically defend themselves from SEC, and Ripple XRP being the one. So Ripple has invested in Stronghold, MVB Bank, and all of these huge players that they are associated with Stronghold. If we look at the Stronghold net,
Worldwire.
let me show you the Stronghold net section over here. X is giving me trouble lately. Anyways, guys, let us now check out further the further use case or the further catalyst that can price skyrocket the price of SHX in the future, and that is the burns. The burns would be also there. You guys remember that the burn proposal was accepted and voted upon. This is from Green Knuckles. What is he saying? SHX Stronghold, I'm not sure which day, but between December 20th to 20 to 29, a burn of 458,000, okay, approximately occurred. Days or weeks go by with no reduction in TS, and then a good size of amount is burned in one shot. Can't make any sense of it. Any thoughts? So remember what Tammy said. Help others rise so we can rise above the rest. Oh my god, stop promoting this shitcoin already. Marbles, you're the one following my account. How about you unfollow and troll your taste to another project that disappoints you? May I just mute or block then. They don't get off that easy. First, I'd like to expose them. I mean, guys, there are a lot of coins in the market, but the ones that have been building in the background throughout the bear market that have strong connections. I mean, calculative investments happen in those projects despite consolidation phase, despite a long accumulation phase. In the long run, these are the projects that stick around for years to come because they're associated with big names. IBM won't associate itself with a scam or any of that stuff. I mean, yeah, there can be red flags, there can be cons. We discuss both sides of every project, but still. So check this out, guys. We're talking about the burns. The burns are going to be there. There was a 100,000 burn from the total supply. So in short, the burn implementation is there when it comes to a stronghold. So indeed, talking about burns, the sky is indeed the limit. The burns appreciate the price over the long haul. the growing influence of DeFi. Let me show you one more thing over here, a really good post. Where was it? Yeah, an old video of Tammy Camp that was uploaded 12 years ago speaking in Brazil at Dell Women's Entrepreneur Network. She speaks about bridging the gap between the investors in the Middle East investing into tech startups in the United States. So, guys, bridging Middle East and the United States is basically bridging two worlds, bridging the finance of two worlds. And you guys know that Middle East is becoming that hub of digital assets. It is crypto friendly, it is digital asset friendly. So this can prove to be a huge move if we look at the future prospect of what Stronghold is going towards, expanding from United States towards all across the globe, guys. It can be huge, guys. It can be huge. So yeah, let us check out what do we have here. What do we have here? Any other good post to check out? Okay, so SHX had its steep retracement after pushing over 1000% the last few months. So many were freaking out when they instead should have been stacking up. Pay attention to your emotions during retracements. Yeah, this is true because when the price falls, guys, people panic, sell, and then the price consolidates and goes back up and to test those resistance that we talked about. So this is from Crypto Banker SHX, guys. Soroban smart contracts on the Stellar org network updated to phase 2 of the Soroban mainnet launch. Stellar is basically making big moves. The Soroban smart contract platform is a game changer for Stellar, one of the biggest upgrades. So this is awesome, guys. Tammy Camp in an interview speaking about the DAO hack, how blockchain. Okay, so yeah, this is awesome. So yeah, check this out. Yet again, a really good post. Who's a gold partner at Smarter Faster Payments 2024? It is SHX, and guess who's speaking there too? None other than Stronghold CTO Sean Bennet. Intriguing, isn't it? See how the pieces fit together. So shout out yet again to Dom. He's basically giving good moves, good posts, guys. I really like it. So very interesting, guys. This is awesome indeed. And yeah, check this out. Speakers. They're in the same room as they're this from Thingol. They're in the same room as some of the biggest banks and payment network providers in the world. Insane. And guys, this is why we say that Stronghold is underrated, and we're all still early, and the sky is the limit, as the title suggests. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Like I always say in the end, guys, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.